going on, Pyros? Been a while, but I'm still around. We're just gonna go over a little stash picked up today. Alright, so I got 2 packs of these. Some of the best right now. Got one of each. The alien rockets. We got a pack of these. Sinister shells. Got one of these older pitas by that brand. Just single cracker. Couple packs of these Chinese crackers. Bigger ones. And then I got one of them again too. Can't go wrong with that big boy. Yeah, so this is just a small little pickup. Let me know what you guys think. Have a good one.